taking off right now, but she's not at the controls, even though she can fly. Pilon, Third Strike Wingwalking, and Kelly Garvin are between the wings of this amazing airplane, being flown by Marcus Paine. There they are, between the wings, waving to you. Get this done before he gets down to the surface. So that airplane is dropping pretty quickly, and they're moving quickly as well. As Kelly, you can see now, she's up on the top wing. She's got to get secured up against the stanchion, and you see Carol Pilon still between the wings on the left, and she just signaled to Marcus that she is fine, and they can return now to show center with Kelly Garvin on top of the upper wing and Carol Pilon down below. As Carol now, as they drift down again, makes her way to the cockpit and will join her